morning.
Good morning, everybody.
Here we are on the Margaritaville at Sea of Paradise.
We're in Freeport right now.
Not our normal paradise.
Yeah, but I love this ship. I'm so hot. I really like our room. It's huge. I love the decorations, and you know me, I love anything Jimmy Buffett. I do.
Yeah.
I love it. Our room is nice. The ship is very clean.
It is actually very clean, and the food,
We're going to get off today and go to a Pirates Cove excursion, and we'll see how that is. And I'm so excited because our grandkids are with us.
that's all she's excited about.
No, I love it all.
You don't even care if I came.
Oh, I do. With my Bobby. I do.
Yeah, because I won in the casino last night.
He's a winner. Chicken
Very small
dinner.
casino. I'll show you that later. But
Winner, chicken dinner.
all right. So anyway, here in Freeport, Grand Bahamas, whatever you want to call it.
Good morning.
So anyway, we'll see you in a little bit. We're heading out for an excursion on the beach. We'll bring that to
Who said
you.
that?
Say bye.
Bye.
This is Pirates Cove here in Freeport. Pretty big beach. I'll talk prices here in just a second. A lot of stuff is included, but a lot of stuff is not. Umbrellas, chairs, all included. Jet skis, banana boats, none of that included. Drinks included. It's an all-inclusive. Hi, Brian.
The water? All right.
Alright, we're all gonna ride the banana boat. Water's too cold for me. Hey, dorks. Crazy.
She tried. Come on. All right. Nobody can do it. Level down.
Tell you what you got. What you got?
Caught critters.
Caught what?
Caught critters. Try them.
Deep fried.
They're very... I'm going to try one right here now, fresh. It should be very, very hot. I'll let you know.
Very hot.
They're hot, but they're delicious.
Except you put ketchup on it.
Ooh, they're delicious.
No ketchup.
Very, very good.
On a conch fritter. No. All right, this was Pirates Cove. Pirates Cove is approximately about a 25-minute bus ride from the port to the location. It is $130 per person. It is an all-inclusive. It's all your drinks and your food come with it. Your umbrellas and chairs are also included. You can purchase zip line. That does not come with it. Those are extra. You can get kayaks. The only difference there is you have to give it $20 as a deposit, but when you turn back in your paddles, you will get the $20 bill back. The food was good. It was a Caribbean pork or jerk pork, which was good. The rice was good that went with it. They had baked chicken, which was also pretty good, very tender. And then they had their desserts, which were a little bit dry, but they were still okay. If you want to do wave runners, that is an extra cost. And then if you want to go out on the banana boat was $30. I don't know what the price of the wave runners were. I did not ask. The drinks to me, they were all rum punch, a banana drink, and a Bahama Mama. And I'm not a big fan of those drinks, but other people seem to be enjoying them. And then they only had one brand of beer, which was a Bahamian beer, which was a little too hoppy for me. So I pretty much didn't really drink anything here. So probably the $130 was not worth it for me. The beach was nice, very foot friendly, no rocks and all that. People were very nice, and it was a funny bus ride back. It was a fun time, and would I do it again? Probably not. I would try probably someplace different just to get a different taste of the island. Alrighty, back to the video.
We got next week. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Towel animals in here too. They got no eyeballs.
It's really pretty.
Where are we going?
We're not going
Yeah, we
anywhere
are.
right now. We're just going to watch the Dallas game and go by the bar and meet my BFF Teresa and get us a drink and watch the Cowboys game before dinner. We're going to dinner at 5:30 though.
Yeah. All right. We'll see you down there.
Bye-bye.
First appetizer, egg rolls.
Just put it all in the same thing.
My first appetizer, chicken tortilla soup. What you got, Riley?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese as a dinner.
Yes.
I got
Mine, shrimp and grits.
the shrimp pasta. Terry got nothing.
It's coming. It's coming.
I got her burger.
It's epic.
You got the key
see what there
lime
is.
sponge cake. And I got the baked Florida. And Rayleigh got a brownie with ice cream.
Freeport? So much to do there, huh?
All right. Had a great day today. We went to the beach. Went over to Pirates Cove in Freeport.
Yeah, we did.
As you saw, had a
With the
good time.
grandkids.
Yep. Had a great time. Now we're gonna go to bed because it's night 2 of 2. That was a quick one.
We're going to karaoke.
Kind of like karaoke, just sang a little
That's
bit
what I'm
differently.
going. I'm not going to bed yet.
All right. And anyway, so we're gonna close out the night with, chocolate martini and
Oh, I wish I had some. Thank you.
she got one. I got one.
We shared one.
Yeah, they're expensive on here. But anyway, so next one up is the Royal Caribbean's Radiance of the Seas in like 4 days,
Cheers.
and then
Oh.
we're out.
Oh, this was strong.
It is strong. He goes, I put a double shot.
Oh, no.
I didn't need that.
Don't do a double shot martini.
No.
They're not as good.
No, but we
No,
drink them
I'm gonna
because
have-
they are
I'm going to have Patrick drink this
good.
one. No, not me.
Cheers. I'm getting ready to get off. He's cooking up my omelet. sautés it a little bit first. Then he puts the eggs in. It's pretty awesome. Never seen it done like that before. All good until getting off.